Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, I am looking at some of the news today, and there's a interesting news. And a lot of you might have noticed that Google search has changed quite a lot. So Google I/O has started, and it has a lot of announcements. They're talking about Gemini and their AI and all of that. I guess it's the word AI everywhere. Microsoft yesterday talked about, AI all day. And one of the interesting changes to Google search, if you are using it, is that you might have noticed that a lot of answers are on AI overview right here on the upper left corner. So we went from searches that give us results here in the bottom, and that we would just go through the different results. But now we also have over AI overview and more. So I asked it, what is Windows? And it's actually telling a story about how it's a Microsoft marketed operating system. So it seems that it's gaining a lot of attraction. Google today has announced that 1.5 billion monthly users actually just look at the AI overview much more than any other search results suddenly in Google, which is a pretty big number and is a little scary at some point because I've seen I'm seeing the Google AI in the search. It's not always accurate, and oftentimes it's actually flat down not correct. And if you think that 1.5 billion monthly users are going to look at what this offers, it's a little scary because they might be off in the results. But at the same time, it's showing that AI is taking over everything, which also I can say is kind of scary. So Google AI overviews are reaching 1.5 billion. The two biggest markets for this is the United States of America and India. So I guess their AI is actually getting very popular. And, we talk about dominance in the market. Well, Google search dominance, which is 90% of the search worldwide, by the way. Maybe it is a problem that you are dominating that much because you're getting all of the attention and your AI is being popular because you're popular, and you're just putting this in our face, and that's we got to see. And it changes so much in how Google search actually works and is also. So I don't know. What do you guys think about AI overview and that Google's AI is actually dominating so much? And by the way, they actually announced today that their Gemini AI is now actually more powerful than ChatGPT's own AI, apparently. So AI everywhere, and I know a lot of people don't like it. So what do you guys think about this? AI even in Google search. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.